Okay, so this is the screen that you're greeted with when you first start up the program. Okay, so now the next part is how to import files, because you realize that just now you have already like what's this? You have gathered together all of your materials in that specific folder that we have on the desktop, like you see like this. Okay, so how do you import in all these things? The program makes it very easy for you, so that such that you don't have to physically go inside the program and then like do it the traditional way, which is like import file, click one by one. That's very tedious. So what you can do is you just click all of the files and folders that you want to be using for your project. As I was saying, you just click all of the files that you want that you wanted to put inside your video. Click and drag inside this section called Power Bins Master. Then just drop it off. You'll notice that under the master bin, the directory has been preserved. See, so you don't have to go through the conventional method of file, and import media. So this is easy, just like that. So as of this point, are there any questions?
Once again, guys, you can use the Q&A or raise your hands if you have any questions.
I see a question from KA to all panelists. Is it the same as for Windows? Yes, it is. So the program works the same as in Windows and Mac operating systems. Can we use Android phone to import video files?
Maybe I can just come in because this platform is it will run on Windows and Mac lah. So basically, if you recorded some of your footage using your mobile phones, you need to transfer them over to your computer where this software sits.
Yeah, we do recommend importing in your video files to your computer first. Otherwise, it'll just feed off the information from your phone, and that can take quite some time. Okay, Fazira asked whether if you never sort it out because as she says, let's say lazy and things like that. Yes, you still can use it, but then your bins will end up looking very cluttered. So the answer is yes, you can use you can just drop it off just like that. But I think for the purpose of organization, I think it's better to just sort everything out. Okay. Mindy asks, when I go into media, I don't see Power Bins, just master and smart bins.
But basically, the master bins are the one that you should be concerned about, because that's where all your files and folders actually go to. So I don't think you need to be concerned about Power Bins and smart bins. Yeah, as long as you drag your files and folders into the master, it should be fine. Yep. Yes, Mindy.
Yes, Mindy, you can drag into your master bins. Okay, done. Okay, Chris asks, does that mean when you're making recording, it should be in landscape and portrait mode? I guess it depends on the kind of video that you're shooting for. Most typically, we shoot in landscape lah. If you notice, a lot of our productions are all in landscape mode. But for some reason, for stylistic purposes, we might choose to feature one or two in portrait mode. Like I think there's one time where we edited something for Instagram Live, and that's in portrait mode. Yeah, then yes. So it depends on your kind of content and the things that you're doing. What's the aspect ratio for the videos required? The aspect ratio, let's see. Okay, KA asks, what's the aspect ratio for the videos required? So now we shoot in 16:9. So the videos used to be shot in 4:3, but nowadays all of it is shot in 16:9. That's the most typical aspect ratio. Also, KA asks, what is the output? The output actually depends on you. If you just want to share it with your colleagues and stuff like that over file set and things like that, so you can export out in 720p. But if you're giving it out to certain places that that requires high quality, then we would export it out as 1080p. And sometimes if you wanna send it off for vetting and things like that, 1080p is not necessary. So for us, typically we just do it in 720p if you wanna send to the powers that be for vetting and things like that.